What's up, guys? Well, today I got a battle box. Alright, so we're going to be opening up here. It's pretty nice outside today. A little bit of a chilly breeze going on. The sun's out, but I'm in the porch, so I'm not getting all that warm sunlight. Anyway, today's EDC is that CRKT Shock. Been carrying this thing. Even though this thing is massive, I mean, it really is a big, heavy, chunky knife. It actually carries totally fine in the pocket. Normal pants, I'm wearing like some khaki joggers right now, normal size pocket. It fits and carries totally fine. The pocket clip itself doesn't grab too aggressively, again, because it's sitting on this smooth carbon fiber. But because of the heft and everything, it just stays in place. So just kind of interesting actually carrying it, using it. But we're going to go ahead and use it right now for our box. We got some security tape on here, which is something new. That's nice. All right. There we go. Got that deadbolt. Put that back in the pocket. And jump into this battle box. So it is a little windy. My apologies if... oh, there's more tape on top. Foolish man. I should have known that. There's some clear tape on top. So, let's go ahead and bring this back up for some cutting action. That's what you guys want to see, right? Some cutting. Alright. Deadbolt. Seem to stay locked through all that nasty tape. All right, here we go. I can't see anything. You tell me what's in there. Oh, I see some camo. Camo's good. What we got going on here? So, mission 49. Can you believe there's been 49 of these already? Sit rep says back to the basics. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you've noticed, I'm not seeing themes and all that kind of stuff. There's still a sit rep. Back to the basics is, I guess, somewhat of a theme. But as I mentioned previously, they're trying to focus on just better gear. So they're not trying to pigeonhole themselves to a specific theme, you know what I mean? So being a little bit more broad like that allows them to add all kinds of stuff in here. So anyway, you can pause right there and see what's going on with that. I'm going to put this off to the side in case I need to reference it, which I always do. I'm always like, what's this thing? Alright, so let's first look at this camo. Camo, the booby. Can I say that on YouTube? Booby? Bubby? Maybe it's Bubby. I jump right to booby. Probably not what it is. Let's get this garbage out of the way. Yeah, Battletech Bubby, let's say. Poncho, liner, blanket, sleeping pad. Pretty straightforward. Let's see, is it camo on the inside too? Yes, it is. Alright, so just a regular sleeping pad, which obviously doubles or triples as those other things as well. So that's cool. I don't need to open that. You guys know what that looks like. That's interesting. Ooh, I see a Bastion knife in here. That's always exciting. Well, should we open it now or save it? You know what? Screw it. Let's open it. Get our deadbolt back out here. A little tape. You need a knife like this to cut the tape, right? Perfect. Okay. So, let's see what knife we got. Ooh, this one looks nice. Seeing some carbon fiber. Ooh, I see Damascus. Alright. I know I'm teasing you guys, can't see anything. Really interesting. Wow, this thing is definitely a little bit different. Let me wipe off some of this oil. It's covered in oil, which is a good thing. Protect it from rusting and such. So we have on the front some carbon fiber and brass. It looks like solid brass. Alright, interesting decorative pivot. On the back side we have, I want to say stainless. Just seems like a black stainless frame lock. Alright, pretty interesting look there. Alright, little opening slot. I love the blade shape. Damascus blade. Locks up perfect. This thing's really nice. Something definitely a little bit different here. No flip or anything. Look at that. I have to reference the card already because I don't know what this one's called. First release, it just says Bastion gear. Oh, Baron. The Baron. B-A-R-O-N. It says first release, Sandmine Damascus steel, carbon fiber scale, solid brass bolster. $120 is the suggested price for this. This thing is really nice. It's funny, I was just talking to someone recently about, you know, copper and brass are totally in right now. This was nice and polished up and everything, but as you touch that, I'm assuming it's gonna, you know, naturally patina. Pretty interesting. I love the cutouts. I love fullers and different you know, decorative type cutouts. So yeah, that is really interesting. I'm digging it. I'm digging the knife. That's an awesome start. And the sleeping pad. I'm actually planning on doing some camping this summer. Last year I did not do any kind of camping at all. Could break out the tent, do some fun stuff, which obviously opens up the doors for all kinds of videos as well for you guys. So next we have, looks like some kind of a notebook. Let's see here. There we go. Stuck in the plastic. All right. All right, Lord and Field. We've seen that branding before. Oh, this is really nice. Whoa. Poor Gus. Bunch of stuff just fell out. By a bunch of stuff, I mean one thing, but it hit Gus right in the head. I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. You guys say hi. All right. Gus wants to say hi. Gus is doing awesome, by the way. Little update real quick. Maybe I'll do another video in the future, but he's doing really good, other than just taking a notebook to the face. All right, buddy. There we go. Good boy. I'm sorry. Sorry I took the notebook right to the head. All right, so we have a graph style notebook, which is awesome. Let me open this over there. There we go. Okay. So we have basically double pockets. And I'm wondering if these... Look at these slits in the pockets. Yeah, those are just regular pockets, so you can use it for card holders or whatever. That is really cool. I'm actually wondering if this is big enough to be a checkbook cover. Oh, I love that leather. That is so nice. All right, cool. So let's see. Maybe if we put the cover on the inside. Something like this. All right, so you can obviously keep it like that, and when you open it up, you have your notebook. I don't know. I will use this for something for sure. Definitely into the leather stuff lately. Actually, well, I'll save it for my next EDC update. But I bid on something that's leather that'll help with my EDC. All right, so let's put that off to the side. What else we got here? What is this? A snack? Scout Backcountry Organic Roasted Pumpkin Seeds. Pepitas. Sweet Texas Barbecue. It says Oregon pumpkin seeds, apple cider vinegar, garlic, cane sugar, chili, tomato, sea salt, paprika, black strap molasses, onion, mustard, black pepper. Sounds awesome. Just a little snack, I guess. A little snack for when you're looking at your stuff here. I will save this. It actually sounds really good. That's cool. All right, first aid kit. This one's 123 piece. You can see the breakdown here if you want. I actually really like this bag. And here comes the winds. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Crazy windy. Alright, trying to keep the garbage organized off to the side here. Yeah, I really like this bag. In fact, whenever I see like first aid kits, they're always good. It's always a good basis for me. What I like to do is take everything out, spread it on a table, and really think about what I'm going to use, what I'm not going to use. Things like Band-Aids, I like swapping out like... Hey Gus, it's okay. See someone walking their dog. Good boy. I swap out like the cheap plasticky Band-Aids for those like stretch fabric Band-Aids, things like that. So you want to customize it to what your needs are, because not everyone is going to be able to use all the generic stuff that you get in these kits. But the actual bag itself is pretty cool, like the zipper pulls and all that. I like that it's orange, right? Easy to see. So we have just, I mean, all the stuff is just in these general pockets here. I don't have anything falling out. But yeah, I mean, overall, I like the style. This has the Velcro, so you can actually rip this whole pouch right out. So yeah, you just want to customize it to your specific needs. Let's close this up and move on to the next thing. But yeah, first aid, I mean, you can't get enough of these. I have so many different random first aid kits. And again, I'll customize them. I'll have one for each of the vehicles. I have one for the house. I give these to family and friends all the time after I customize them as well. Super important thing to have. No one ever thinks of it until you really need it, right? Alright, so next, Zippo brand match kit. How about that? That's pretty interesting. Alright, so I know for a long time Zippo's gone the route of survival stuff. This happened a few years back. They came out with all different things for, you know, outdoor survival. I've never seen this before. This is the Typhoon kit. So we have some like super serious, super duty, you know, all-weather matches in the middle of a tornado, in the eye of a hurricane, and it won't go out. So yeah, you know what, maybe I'll do like a field test of this. We'll get a fire going with this thing in the future. But I love seeing the Zippo brand. They can make anything and I'd probably buy it or try it out. I love Zippo, so good on them for doing outdoor products too besides their lighters. Very, very cool. So what else do we have in here? Little card here. Ooh, 10% off for Zippo products. Again, focusing on some of their outdoor things. All right, their hand warmer. They have all kinds of power banks now too, which you wouldn't, I mean, Zippo has always been a diverse company. Obviously lighters, yeah, we get that. But like a lot of times people will show me old Zippo stuff, like, wow, a Zippo branded pen or a Zippo branded belt buckle. Yeah, they made a lot of different stuff specifically for advertising purposes. But anyway, the promo code for 10% off is Warm Moments. All right, so if you want to go to Zippo and order direct from them, Warm Moment, get 10% off. So that is awesome. And I think there's one more thing. It's a long thing. What could be in here? I really don't know. Oh, wow. All right. This is really cool, and I'll explain what I'm going to use it for. I might have to modify it, but this is really neat. So we have a small takedown bow, and anytime I even remotely see a bow, anything bow related, I automatically think of Tex Grebner. So shout out to Tex. All right, so here's the breakdown of what is inside. All right, so it's a takedown simple bow. What's exciting to me about this is I really want to get a bow kit that I can modify to catch carp with. So I want a bow fishing kit. Now clearly they sell specifically, you know, bow kits for bow fishing, but I wanted to modify a simple bow and I haven't gotten one yet, and this might be a perfect candidate. But if it doesn't work out for that, I'll still use it as a bow and do some practice shooting and stuff, which would be fun. So this strap came off. Put this back on here. All right. So yeah, we have our arms and everything else in here. Pin kit. I don't know how to put this together yet or anything, so I'm not gonna mess with it because I'm sure I'll lose parts. But that is awesome. Now we have a little bow kit, so I'll certainly do a video shooting the bow. Like I said, I'd love to modify this for bow fishing, make some kind of ghetto rig just to try to catch some carp that way. That's been on my kind of bucket list of things to do. Things I just wanted to try out. But if it does not work out with this, which part of me thinks that it probably won't, I'll just use it as a bow. It'll be a lot of fun just to shoot as is. So yeah, I think that is it. Let's double check and make sure. We got the Be Smart first aid kit, all right. Zippo Typhoon match kit. The Lord and Field Trail Notes leather notepad. Our little pumpkin seeds for random snack. That's kind of cool though. The BattleTech Bubby poncho. Poncho slash blanket slash sleeping bag, whatever you want to use it for. The Survival 55 takedown bow. That's cool. And then of course our knife of the month. So there is the breakdown again. This is a really exciting box. I like all the stuff. I like the direction that Battlebox is going. There's no filler here. Well, if you want to count the snack as filler, they're saying that's $2. That's nothing. Like I said, more or less people are going to be, you know, eating those while they're playing with all this stuff. This is all very usable stuff though. And like in the past, there's been a lot of that, a little bit of fill, you know, maybe like a super cheap flashlight that no one really wants. Maybe like a gimmicky type fire starter or something like that. But this is good. This is awesome. I've always liked Battlebox. I've always liked the surprise aspect of it. But now, as I mentioned before, you can get individual kits if you want, so there is no surprise element if you don't want that. Or in the case of the Battlebox knife, they'll probably offer this on the site, you know, by itself. If you weren't interested in any of this other stuff, but you kind of like the knife, you know, it's probably going to be available through their site as well. I'm assuming this one will be exclusive to Battlebox, just because that's what they do mostly in the past, exclusive stuff. Overall, 2 thumbs up. I really love the box. I'll use everything in it, which is awesome. So let me know your comments and thoughts and feelings down below. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.